Welcome to another Theme Mountain video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to use a sticky section and the button shortcode to create a one-page navigation. So if you followed the previous tutorial on how to create a sticky section, you've already seen this layout. The first section here is the sticky section, then we have some content that scrolls beneath it, and then we have the push section at the bottom, which pushes the sticky section out of the viewport or unsticks it. And it looks something like this. So what we're going to do this time is to swap out the text up here with some buttons that we're going to use to navigate through the page. I'm going to go back to my editor here, and I'm just going to add a few more sections here which we're going to scroll to. So I'm going to give this an ID first. So this will be section 1, then section 2, and then section 3. The next thing I'm going to do is to go up to the sticky section here. I'm going to replace the text with a few buttons. The first thing I'm going to do is to change the link to attribute here from page to scroll. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a button label here. So this will be linking to section 1. Then in the URL, I'm going to add the anchor. So remember, we add hashtag and then the ID. The next thing I'm going to do is switch to display options because we want to insert these horizontally in the same lines. I'm going to go ahead and select this. And once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and save it, and then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this button and then just switch the ID that they link to, obviously. And then the third button here. Now there's one step left now that we've created the buttons, and that is to add a class to the column that wraps the buttons. And the class that we're going to add is called scroll navigation. And what this class does is that it indicates to the script that each of these buttons are part of one single navigation, so that when you scroll past a section, the correct button will highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and then we can see what this looks like. So here we have the sticky section with the 3 buttons. Now if I click the buttons, it will scroll to the sections. And if I scroll without clicking, it will highlight as I scroll past the section that each button links to. And again, then we have the push section at the bottom, which will push the sticky section out of the viewport. And that's how you create a sticky navigation using sticky section and button shortcode.